Welcome! In this short video, I'll be explaining how to use Featurize. Featurize is an interactive online tool that can help you find the natural classes of sounds. It is designed to be intuitive to use. So, what is a natural class? A natural class is a group of sounds that share similar properties. This means that the sounds are similarly articulated. For instance, and are both nasal sounds. In phonological theory, we use features to capture this similarity. A group of segments is a natural class if it shares a set of features to the exclusion of all other segments. Because of these two requirements, and because there are quite a few features, it is sometimes difficult to figure out whether a specific set of segments is actually a natural class. Featurize is a tool designed to help you with that. Featurize is a web-based app. This means that you need an internet connection to use it on your computer. Let's see how that works. We recommend using Google Chrome or Firefox. Featurize is one of phono apps available at phonology.us. Other tools include Derive and Naturalize, among others. Once you have opened Featurize in your browser, you can use it even without an active internet connection. The app's main part is the window, Select Segments. You can already see some segments here, and they are organized by their phonetic and phonological properties. For instance, the first line has high vowels. There is a blue line separating the vowels and the consonants. And here are oral stops. Let us now go through an example. So suppose you want to find out whether E and E are a natural class. It doesn't seem likely, but perhaps there is some feature combination that might group those segments into a natural class. Let us now select those segments. As we can see, it is indeed the case that E and E are not a natural class. You can see this in the window Closure Properties. Moreover, as a result, we do get a set of the nearest natural class that includes our two segments. This is uniquely true for all sets of segments. This set includes 4 segments. In addition to E and E, also 2 other front vowels. And E. Given our feature set and our segments, these 4 vowels share the following long list of features. Minus consonantal, plus sonorant, plus syllabic, and so on. However, some of these features are not needed to distinguish the 4 segments from all other segments in the inventory. And this information is provided as well. We can see we only need 4 features: plus syllabic, minus round, minus low, and plus front. We can also describe this set as minus round, minus low, plus front, and plus pharyngeal. There is a tie between several shortest descriptions. Let us look at another example. I'm going to select and n. As you can see, and n do form a natural class with the following features: plus consonantal, plus sonorant, minus syllabic, and so on. To make it simpler, we could also describe this class more succinctly as minus dorsal, minus strident, and plus nasal. If, however, we add the retroflex na, then these 3 nasals are no longer a natural class given our set of features. The closest natural class that includes these segments will also include all other nasals but the labiodental. These are marked in pink. Default Featurize uses binary features. This means that features can have counterintuitively 3 variables. A segment can have a plus value of some feature, for example, plus high, a minus value, such as minus high, or it can lack a feature, meaning that it's not specified for high. But Featurize is also super customizable, and it also allows you to use not only our default features and segments, but any other features too. We will talk about this in the next video. Click on the link below to find out more. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video interesting and useful. If you enjoyed it, please leave a comment below, or please write to us if you have any suggestions for improvements.